Hello everyone, welcome again to my series. This is number 11. If you haven't seen the previous videos, just hop over there, watch the videos that Brigitta created and also my videos of the unboxing. And today I'm sharing with you number 11, which is again a beautiful wrapped package with the cute I believe Simple Stories. I just love it. Thank you so much for this. And I will open her up like this, or maybe this side. This has been such a fun swap to do. Hoping to be able to create beautiful things for her as well next year. Oh, wait a moment. I see a loaded bucket with lots and lots of yummy pieces. Oh, such a beautiful project. I do believe she will be sharing with you soon as well a video on how she created this and the layers that she used. But as you can see, it is just perfect. Love it. Is this also the fabric that you gifted me as well? It looks like this one as well. I just love that one. So let's start and take out the pieces that are inside. I see some die cut elements, some beautiful bows. Again, those beautiful star elements there. Let me see if it will focus. Yes. And the pocket itself, like so. Again, we'll be adding some detailed pictures of all of these beautiful elements that she created. Super cute. We'll be opening her up. Let me see, these are bag toppers, I believe, with a Santa. And these two colors she has made. Stickled them all up, and again you have the patience to layer up all these elements and put them again also a little bit on foam tape, and this is, I believe, also a sort of beautiful star. Don't know if you can pick it up, the embossing there from a star here. And this is the back, also has a beautiful Santa, and these are just perfect to like gift like a sock or something like this, and then send it all off. Really cute, loving those. Thank you so much. Putting them here. And then she created a set of bows there in two different colors and also two different sizes, and share with you the beautiful rosette again with a layer of mesh there in the background, embossed back topper, sort of a star shaped, and she also distressed the edge a little bit with a little bit pink, and beautiful diamonds there. Just love that one. Such a cute idea. And inside here are some, I believe, again a few bag toppers like this one. Oh, but I see beautiful decorative ones. Let me take them out. Thank you so much for this package as well. Totally going to reuse that. And then I'll share with you the bag toppers. this one. Such a cute, oops, this one. This is the last one. Says joy. Thank you so much. And this beautiful popped up fluffy reindeer. Let me see. Such a cute element there. Again, I will be adding loads of pictures, adding onto this video so you can see them throughout, and you can see all the details of all the beautiful details that she has on her project as well in this video. And I cannot wait to share with you the last and 12th project that she created for me. So I'll talk to you all very soon and see you. Bye bye.